Okay. Well, got a lot of the dirt off of it. There's still some left, but a lot of spray paint and residue and stuff like that. But it's a project, and it's not the original glass. I noticed that. But see the window seal failed, and it's gotten into the dashboard. Still, overall, in really good shape. So, I don't know if I can turn the vehicle around. The hose doesn't reach the other side, but I want to clean the whole thing at some point. Today is really day one of the outside cleaning, so I thought I'd bring you along and see what it looks like in before and after type stuff. So, very nice. She's got a good face.